Hello, this is a quick video on how to change your language screen on a UNI-T UTG900E function generator. Yes, it is really this small. This is my normal size hand, and this is the normal size of the UTG900. But if you find yourself in Chinese, your choice of language are going to be Chinese or English. Simply come here, press the utility button. Come over here, press System. You're going to see Language, and change it to English. And now you're back into English. So if you go back to channel 1, you'll see now everything is back in English. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at uni-trendus.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.